Guys, here I am at Big Lots. Let's take a look at what they have here in these end caps, guys. They're doing away with the summer stuff already. I can't believe it, Lord. Okay, so these vinyl tablecloths, guys, they're on the end caps now. Here's the one with the llama. Here's the cactus. Okay, these are $4.50 for this design. Then the napkins. These napkins are $4. They say hello summer. They come in these designs, and my favorite is these popsicle sticks and ice cream cones. Then they have the hello summer with the watermelon, and look at these. I think these are gorgeous. Then they have the bigger plates over here and the napkins to match. Okay, that's the table decor, and then look at the dog. So I think this one is $12 also. See that? So then they have this, and this is ceramic. Okay, that one is $7, and that says you had me at Aloha. Party like a flamingo. That's so cute. And then look at these coasters in the shape of fruits, and that's $5, guys. And then they have the flamingo. This one says fun in the sun, and the tablecloths. And then they have these candles. So these candle guys, these right here are $6, and then these bigger ones are $8. These are glass. Yeah, they're all glass. And then you have the flamingos over here, and those are $12. And then look at these LED lanterns, guys. They're $22 in the blue and the white. And down there they have the palm trees. So over here they have the teacher. What is that? The teacher planner. This is $10. Wow, they have the teacher planner. Okay, and look at this avocado planner, guys. I'm absolutely loving it. You see the size of that? That's $8. And then I'm loving this buffalo check design here. So these are regular planners, weekly planners. Growing tiny humans is exhausting. Oh my God, these are teacher planners. That is so cute. Growing tiny humans is exhausting. Yeah. Wow. Sometimes, wow, let's hang around the adults. That's exhausting too. And these table calendars, guys, desk calendars are $8. Look, my spirit animal. That's $5. And let me see if they're all different. So this one says Chomp. And this one says believe. And then they have the composition notebooks, and then they have these little ones with the rings, and then look, they have the bling ones. They knew I was coming. Then they have the notebooks over here. These are $4 in these colors. Then they have these are sketch diary, and then they have this feels like a velour. $5, guys. They have the notebook planners. So always look on the bright side. $4. Okay, I don't want to pull those out so they don't fall out, but look at this style. I like this style. Let your dreams bloom. I like that one. Let me see what this one is, guys. Always look on the bright side. Those are so pretty. The journey is in everything. The journey is everything. Then make today magic. And then you have some folders along the bottom. I'm trying to see if I can find a cover for my tablet. I doubt I'll find it here, but let's just take a quick look, because I'm not really used to even looking in this audio section over here when I come to Big Lots. So they have their cable cords and their universal remotes, which is nice to know. And then they have their mouse and their cable cords, and here's some of their headphones. Keyboard on the bottom. It's pretty neat to know they have a keyboard. Those are $16. Then they have the Vivitar brand Everlast Bluetooth headset. It's nice to know they have this stuff. So this stuff is $20. I guess it ranges. So this is a slim case, but that's not big enough. Let me see what this is. $13 for this tablet cover. Let me see. It says it's universal, and there's only one left. And actually, it's not a cover. It says slim case or 9 to 10 inch tablets. I don't know, guys, because this looks like a holder. It doesn't look like an actual case. It's nice to know that they have this, though. Let me just place this down. So then they have some more earbuds, guys, and even the gaming keyboard. The gaming keyboard, guys, is 20 bucks, and it's by Brookstone. That's nice to know. Okay. Audio cassette adapter and all kinds of adapters. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Big Lots to check out their home decor and some of their audio, and I'll see you guys in the next video.